Medication non-adherence is a huge problem leading to poor health outcomes and increasing healthcare costs both nationally and globally. In addition, from a research perspective, medication non-adherence greatly interferes with clinical trial study durations and data accuracy. For clinical trial coordinators and caregivers, tracking patients' medication adherence is difficult and unreliable. They make decisions under the assumption that patients are taking their medications as prescribed, but in reality, many patients are unable to remember to take their pills at the right time and at the right dosage, which increases the risk of under or over dosage as well. Therefore, clinical trial coordinators and caregivers need an easy-to-use system that improves medication adherence for each individual patient and allows them to quantitatively monitor medication adherence or non-adherence. Our target users are clinical trial coordinators and caregivers who need accurate tracking of pill intake and data storage for further analysis and decision-making, as well as patients who need to be informed to take the right dosage of their medication at the right time.
So we're going to start the program and wait for it to ask us to initialize the user. So then we're going to put in the patient name and email when prompted. I'll just put in my name and email as an example. And we'll also initialize a caregiver so that someone can receive the adherence data at housekeeping time. For the purposes of this video, we've made housekeeping 5:18 so that we can see it instead of midnight when it would normally be. So now we're going to add in our medications. We'll add in Med 1, which we'll just say 1 tablet every 1 hour, and that will go off at 5:15 p.m. Right now it's writing to the LCD. Then we'll also do medication 2, which will be 2 tablets every 2 hours, and that will go out at 5:16 p.m. And then finally we'll add some medication 3, which we'll do 3 tablets every 3 hours, and we'll just put it at some arbitrary time. So now we wait. It's writing to the LCD, but now that it's 5:15 p.m., medication 1 has gone off. So the alarm goes off and the pill bottle is picked up, then put down, and the button is pressed off. Now we're going to wait until 5:16 p.m. So this time we're not going to take it. The amount of time that we put in for the purposes of this demo is 1 minute, so the light will stay on for 1 minute, and after 1 minute, if we have not taken it, then it will be logged as missed. Great, so now that 1 minute has passed, the medication 2 light has turned off and it has been logged as missed. Finally, we'll wait until 5:18, which is housekeeping time, and see that it will send an email with the adherence data to the TrackRx email. So I'll go over to our Gmail. Great. So at 5:18 p.m., we should see an adherence data email. Great, so now that it's 5:18, we received an adherence data email. We can see that it has Med 1 logged as taken at 5:15 p.m. and Med 2 logged as missed at 5:17 p.m., which is what we just saw happen. And that's how TrackRx works.
One aspect of our product that we are particularly proud of and that we think differentiates us from other products on the market right now is our ability to integrate 2-factor verification into our system. So not only does the user tell us that they have taken the medication, our system actually also verifies that information. This increases the accuracy of the data that we are recording. In addition, because our system does not have too many components and is not very difficult to use, it is appropriate for users of all ages, no matter how young or how old they may be.